Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Upgrade to the Nova 2 5G today, now starting at an incredible price of just Rs 12,999 down from Rs 13,999, featuring 0% interest days for the best most affordable 5G experience. Get ready for Realme Power Days. Experience the ultimate performance with the all-new Realme P4 Lite 5G featuring a stunning 144Hz display, starting at just Rs 15,499. Get the brand new Motorola Edge 70 starting from just Rs 27,999 down from Rs 34,999. Enjoy 0% interest days with easy EMI starting at only Rs 2,333 per month, plus an additional Rs 2,000 off on exchange. Get the AI Plus Nova 2 Ultra 5G starting at just Rs 16,999 instead of Rs 25,999 with 0% interest days and free earbuds included in the box. Grab the new Realme P4 or 5G for just Rs 19,499 with a massive 8,000 mAh battery and 144Hz display. Own it today starting at an easy EMI of just Rs 6,333 per month. Get the powerful new Oppo K13 Turbo Pro with SD8's Gen 4 flagship chipset starting from just Rs 28,499 instead of Rs 41,999. Enjoy 0% interest days on this ultimate gaming phone featuring India's only cooling fan. Upgrade to the Motorola Edge 60 Pro 5G starting from just 28,999 rupees, with easy installments of 2,333 rupees per month at 0% interest. Plus, get an additional 1,000 rupees off on exchange today. Get the Redmi Note 15 starting from just Rs 21,999 instead of Rs 34,999. Enjoy 0% interest days with easy installments of only Rs 7,333 per month, plus an additional Rs 2,000 off on exchange. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.